let's just get right into it. You know, there's a huge shift happening right now. And the next wave of millionaires, well, it's not going to be who you think. It's not about being a coder or some slick salesperson anymore. It's going to be the AI power users. This changes the entire game. And this slide, this really gets to the core of it. See, most people are just chatting with AI. They copy, they paste, they get a result. But the power users, they are playing a completely different sport. They're building entire automated systems that just crank out output and, frankly, leave their competition in the dust. So, if you're a business owner and you feel like you're drowning in all the manual tasks, constantly putting out fires, this is for you. Today, we're going to walk through some specific AI tools designed to solve your biggest headaches and tap into revenue streams you probably don't even realize are there. So here's the plan. We're going to cover 6 critical areas. First, finding that hidden money and leads. Second, building out your company's core playbook. Then we'll get into creating content at scale, assembling a 24/7 AI team, gaining financial oversight, and finally, mastering the basics to really multiply your own efficiency. First up, let's go on a bit of a treasure hunt. We're looking for hidden money and leads. And I know it sounds a little strange, but most businesses are letting a shocking amount of revenue just slip right through their fingers, all because they can't keep up with their own data. I mean, really think about it for a second. Every single unread DM, every person who visits your website and just leaves, every failed credit card payment, these aren't just little administrative hiccups. No, they are massive blind spots where your revenue is leaking out day after day. So how do we plug these leaks? Let's start with getting new leads. Instead of grinding away at manual prospecting, a tool like Manus AI basically becomes your automated researcher. It goes out, it digs deep, and it generates somewhere between 100 to 500 high-quality leads for you every single month. It's all about creating a consistent, predictable flow of new opportunities. Now, this next one is kind of amazing because it activates the money that is already sitting on your website. Allie can actually identify those anonymous visitors and then give you their contact info. We're talking about uncovering hundreds of opportunities that aren't even in your sales pipeline yet. It's wild. Okay, now for the leads hiding in plain sight. Revio tackles that social media chaos. You know what I'm talking about. It pulls all your DMs and inboxes into one spot, so a hot lead never gets missed again. And then there's the money you've already earned. A tool called Revly uses AI to rescue failed payments, recovering revenue that would otherwise just be gone. Okay, so we're capturing more revenue. That's great. But now let's fix the chaos inside the business. Section 2 is all about building your company's playbook. If you've ever felt that frustration from just messy, inconsistent internal processes, this part is about creating a clean, scalable system. The first move is just to get everything out of your head and into a system. With something like Trainual, you can take some messy notes or a quick Zoom recording and turn it into a clear, standard operating procedure. Think of it as the Bible for how your business runs. But here's where the magic really happens. You can then use a platform like Make.com to connect all your different apps and automate that entire workflow. This is how you start replacing repetitive, manual jobs with a system that just runs itself. All right, next up, professionalism and content at scale. This is for anyone out there who struggles with creating high-quality presentations or training materials or marketing content without it taking forever. So picture this. You've got a great idea, but you absolutely hate making slide decks. With Gamma, you can just dump your thoughts as messy notes and boom, it generates a professional-looking presentation for you. For video, Descript is a total game changer. You edit the video by literally just deleting words from the transcript. It's that easy. And then you have 11 Labs, which lets you create a perfect clone of your own voice so you can generate audio for ads or training videos without ever touching a microphone. You see, the point is you can build systems that do the work for you. And that brings us to our next big idea, building your own 24/7 AI team to automate support, sales, and all that internal knowledge. For any local service business, think plumbers, HVAC companies, this is absolutely huge. Your Atlas is an AI voice agent that, as you can see, never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and is never in a bad mood. It can qualify leads, answer support questions, and book appointments at a massive scale, around the clock. And this isn't just for talking to customers. Internally, you can use a tool like ChatAid to create an AI brain for your whole company right inside of Slack. It answers all those common team questions so you don't have to. And for you coaches or consultants out there, this is incredible. Buddy Pro can create a digital twin of you. It's an AI clone trained on all your expertise that can answer client questions at 3 a.m. while you're fast asleep. Now let's talk about managing the money with AI financial oversight. It is time to stop guessing and start getting actual data-driven prescriptions for your business's financial health. You have to stop guessing about your finances. Tools like Hero Finance and Frank AI are basically like having an AI-powered CFO. They analyze all your transactions, your cash flow, and then they tell you exactly where you can save money or increase profit. This isn't just about getting a report. It's about finding real opportunities that can seriously impact your bottom line. And then a tool called Precision acts like a super high-paid consultant. It builds you these dashboards that don't just show you data. They give you a prescription, literally telling you exactly which numbers you need to tweak every single day to improve your business. Okay, finally, let's bring this all home by mastering the fundamentals. All these specialized tools are fantastic, but even the most basic one you already use, like ChatGPT, can 5x your efficiency if you just learn how to use it like a true power user. And you get there by moving beyond those simple one-off prompts. When you master things like custom GPTs, develop master prompts for your recurring tasks, and personalize the AI with your specific projects, you transform it from a simple chatbot into a deeply powerful and integrated assistant. Ultimately, and look, if you take one thing away, let it be this: the tools are all here. The technology exists today, but the real value, the real secret sauce, lies in knowing how to actually implement them. So you have to ask yourself, are you ready to automate your biggest frustrations? Are you ready to go find that hidden money that's already flowing through your business? If you're an owner and you're struggling to get your team to adopt this stuff, there is a clear path forward. And if you're ready to take that next step, you can contact Cardex for a consultation. Let's get together and build the automated future of your business.